everyone, me and Frankie here. We just wanted to invite you to do another art activity, and this one is using things that you find around the garden. So we're going to use some bits of bark to create a little person. So we'll show you in a minute what we've come up with. Okay, so we've got this little bowl and we're going to go around the garden and see what we can find for the body parts. So far we've got a few bits of bark, haven't we? Put them in the bowl. And what about this strange root of some kind? And if you can see, I think it was an old bulb. So we might use that for one of the body parts. Maybe, that's right, maybe the head. Put it in the bowl. And we've got a stone as well. That might be the head, or it might be the body. Basically, you've got to collect all the different body parts and just have a look around your garden and see what you can find. Could be leaves, flowers, feathers, sticks, and like we said before, bits of bark. So we'll carry on collecting. Put that in the bowl. Boy. Collected so far. Let's have a look. We have the root, bark, flower for the eyes. I think we need this bit. Come here. Come, kid. Come on. Come on. Oh yeah, we'll put that on. Come on then. Come on. Come here. Come here. Come on then. Ooh, I can't reach. I can't reach. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, where should we put that one then? Put it on here. Oh, in her hair, flower in her hair. She's got flowery hair and she's got a flower in her hair. Might put some facial features in, but I quite like that at the moment because it's like her nose is to the side. destroyed the person. Oh no.